Hello! Just a quick one today. Law number 6. Apologies for the shortness. Hopefully the game... A snowman is well happy. Hopefully the game today will be a good one to make up for this shortness. What could that be? I don't think that's a snowman. It's got a nose in the middle. I'm gonna have to feel this one. You feel me, bro? No? It's got a hair, it's got an afro. I don't know. I'll say a snowman, but it's not. No. Oh, it's an angel, right? That makes sense. Big Ed. Don't see an angel very often, do you? Pretty good. Good shapes in this. Damn, I failed one though. Oh. Pokemon. Right. Can I finally get one? Who's that Pokemon? God, what is that? What? It's a mass of blobs. Oh god, what a mess. Nope. Surprise, surprise. I have no idea. Hello? No idea at all. I assume that's its tongue sticking out. Very strange. It feels nice though, if it wasn't for the jagged bits of plastic. I like the bobbliness. But yeah, I don't know what that is. I've never seen this thing before, but I probably have. Anyway, yet another fail. Right, off to the game. Oh, so victorious. 6. I would live here. Holiday Jigsaw. Oh yeah, I love a jigsaw. December 6 is all about creating holiday jigsaw puzzles. Multiple? You can choose several puzzles and styles and solve them alone or together with up to 3 friends. Have fun. What? You're saying only 3 friends can gather around my PC monitor to help me solve it. Press Y in order to activate the drawer and hold pieces separately. What? Press X. Aren't you supposed to give me like an indicator of the button I'm supposed to press? That's what you've done in the previous games. You expect me to play this with a controller? Well, whatever, I guess. I'm sure it'll be space, shift, I or tab. Okay, so I'm going to activate the menu, navigate to this icon and activate by pressing A in order to get a hint. What? Oh, they just accidentally left the press X in order to activate the menu bit. Wait, oh my god, it's on 3 of them. What is... 4 of them? Who made this? Oh my god. I'll do this one. No. Just yes. What is this? Zoom. No! I'll do all 3 of them. I like jigsaws. Will I? I don't know actually. They have a crotch. Well, this is kind of cool though. Obviously it goes there. Not just a jigsaw, it's a unique shaped jigsaw. Have a foot. Have a horn. Where would this go? There. Hello? Thought that was a piece. Why is this a piece of... that? I don't know. Oh. Weird. Oh, achievement, speedrunner. Solve a jigsaw in under 2 minutes. Oh wow. How could I ever have done that? Well, it doesn't really matter, does it? Oh god, 600? No, we'll just do 30. I ain't got time for this junk. What is this? Why would I want to hold them? Just place the damn piece. Where's the outline? You can place them without knowing where they go. That's always a nice feature, isn't it? It is actually. Cheese. Oh, cheesy git. Is that part of you? No. Is there an achievement for solving one without using a hint, accidentally? Wait, oh. I thought you'd even managed to fuck up a jigsaw somehow. By having too many pieces to fit. But it's okay, you didn't. No, that's not the piece I'm trying to pick up. You did fuck up a jigsaw, after all. Somehow. Okay, now the hard bit. Boy, look at these ladies, they certainly get me hard. Are they ladies? You can't really tell with elves, can you? That one's not, I don't think. They're just mystical beings. Da, 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 da. Well, there you go. Last one. I don't know why there's a creature. Let's do the different cutout. Let's do timed mode just for the hell of it. What does it do? Oh, it gives you a time limit, as you might expect. Bling. Bling. Ba 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 da ba ba bum. Tootie Magootie. You were like up here somewhere, yeah, your head is already there, so that helps, don't it? God, this music is terrible. It just has that random cut in there. It must be some royalty-free track and they just cut out a bit of it so it doesn't go on too long. For some gosh darn reason. This game is scuffed. Yes, that's right, it's Christmas. I can say things that I normally wouldn't say, such as scuffed, because that is Zoomer language, potentially. Oh no, I'm warming up to that word though. It makes sense, don't it just? Oh my god, that was close. I only had 80% of my time left. Or something. Phew. Well, I like jigsaws, that was alright. Shall we just have a quick look? You can't choose how many pieces on that one. How does it look with that many pieces? Fuck. No thank you. Wait. Tab. What? Oh. Oh, lovely. What? Show only the edge pieces. That's a nice feature, I guess. Oh. Get me out of here. Exit game. Play. What? Timed mode. How much time do you have for that many pieces? 200 minutes. What is that? Is it 12? That's over 3 hours. God, what are you doing with your life if you're spending over 3 hours solving a jigsaw in this game? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, happy holidays, see you tomorrow for another one. What's it gonna be? Who knows? I will in a minute.